Imagine a world where natural remedies held the key to restoring balance and well-being. For centuries, cultures around the globe have turned to the healing power of plants, harnessing their innate properties to address a wide range of ailments. Among these botanical treasures, Blue Vervain, with its delicate purple blossoms and rich history, stands out as a testament to nature's profound ability to heal. Known scientifically as Verbena officinalis, this unassuming plant has earned a revered place in traditional medicine systems worldwide. From ancient Greece to the practices of Native American healers, Blue Vervain has been employed for its remarkable therapeutic properties, offering relief from various ailments and promoting overall well-being. We will delve into the rich tapestry of its history, uncovering the traditional uses that have cemented its place in herbal medicine. Furthermore, we will examine the scientific evidence that supports its purported health benefits, shedding light on the mechanisms by which this botanical marvel exerts its effects. The story of Blue Vervain's journey through time is a testament to its enduring legacy as a healing herb. This humble plant, with its delicate blue flowers, has been revered for centuries, not just for its beauty, but for its remarkable medicinal properties. Revered by ancient civilizations, this plant has woven itself into the fabric of folklore, mythology, and medicinal practices across the globe. From the ancient Greeks to the Native American tribes, Blue Vervain has been a symbol of healing and protection. Its presence can be traced back to the ancient Greeks, who held it sacred to their gods and believed it to possess potent protective properties. The Greeks called it holy herb and used it in various religious and cleansing rituals such as cleansing temples and altars. The Greeks believed that Blue Vervain could ward off evil spirits and bring good fortune, making it an essential part of their spiritual practices. In ancient Rome, Blue Vervain was equally esteemed and was associated with Venus, the goddess of love and beauty. The Romans believed that the plant had the power to enhance love and beauty, and it was often used in love potions and charms. Roman soldiers carried it into battle, believing it would bring them victory and protect them from harm. They wore amulets made of Blue Vervain, trusting in its ability to shield them from injury and ensure their success on the battlefield. It was also used in love potions and charms. The Romans believed that Blue Vervain could ignite passion and strengthen romantic bonds, making it a popular ingredient in their love rituals. Throughout the Middle Ages, Blue Vervain was a staple in traditional European medicine. Herbalists and healers relied on its versatility, employing it to treat a wide range of conditions, from digestive complaints to nervous disorders. It was believed to have a calming effect on the nervous system, making it a valuable remedy for anxiety and stress. It was believed to purify the blood, strengthen the nervous system, and promote restful sleep. People would often drink Blue Vervain tea to alleviate insomnia and ensure a good night's rest. The plant's reputation as a powerful healing agent extended beyond Europe, finding a place of honor in the traditions of Native American healers. They recognized its potential and incorporated it into their holistic healing practices. Various tribes, including the Cherokee and the Iroquois, incorporated Blue Vervain into their medicinal practices, using it to address fevers, headaches, and respiratory ailments. They believed in the plant's ability to restore balance and harmony within the body, making it a cornerstone of their traditional medicine. Today, Blue Vervain continues to be valued in modern herbal medicine. Its rich history and proven benefits have ensured its place in contemporary healing practices. Herbalists today use it to support mental health, improve digestion, and enhance overall well-being. Whether in the form of tea, tinctures, or capsules, Blue Vervain remains a beloved herb for those seeking natural remedies. Its journey through time is a testament to its enduring power and the timeless wisdom of traditional medicine. In today's fast-paced world, where stress has become an unwelcome companion for many, the search for natural ways to alleviate anxiety and promote relaxation is more relevant than ever. Blue Vervain, with its long-standing reputation as a calming herb, offers a gentle yet effective solution for finding solace amid the chaos of modern life. One of the key mechanisms by which Blue Vervain exerts its calming effects is through its interaction with the nervous system. This plant contains a unique blend of bioactive compounds, including iridoid glycosides, flavonoids, and terpenoids, that work synergistically to soothe frayed nerves and promote a sense of tranquility. These compounds are believed to possess adaptogenic properties, meaning they help the body adapt to stress and regain balance. By modulating the body's stress response system, Blue Vervain may help reduce the levels of stress hormones like cortisol, which can wreak havoc on both physical and mental health. Anecdotal evidence suggests that Blue Vervain can be particularly helpful in addressing mild to moderate anxiety, nervousness, and restlessness. Its gentle sedative properties may also make it a useful aid for promoting restful sleep, especially for those who struggle with occasional sleeplessness. A balm for aching joints. Exploring the anti-inflammatory potential of Blue Vervain. Beyond its calming effects on the nervous system, Blue Vervain has also garnered attention for its potential anti-inflammatory properties, which may offer relief from a variety of conditions characterized by pain and inflammation. This humble plant, often found in meadows and along roadsides, has a rich history in traditional medicine where it has been used to treat a myriad of ailments. While research in this area is still ongoing, preliminary findings suggest that this plant may hold promise as a natural adjunct to conventional treatments. Scientists are particularly interested in how Blue Vervain can be integrated into modern therapeutic practices, potentially offering a more holistic approach to managing inflammation. Inflammation is a natural biological response to injury or infection, serving as the body's defense mechanism to initiate healing. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to a host of health issues. Chronic inflammation is a silent contributor to many diseases, often going unnoticed until significant damage has occurred. But when it becomes chronic, it can contribute to a wide range of health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. The persistent state of inflammation can wear down the body's tissues and organs, leading to long-term health complications that are difficult to manage. Blue Vervain's anti-inflammatory effects are attributed to its ability to modulate the production of certain inflammatory mediators in the body. These mediators are chemicals that signal the immune system to respond to injury or infection, and by influencing their production, Blue Vervain can help control the inflammatory process. Extracts of Blue Vervain can inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are proteins that play a crucial role in the body's inflammatory response. These cytokines, such as tumor necrosis factor alpha and interleukin-6, are often elevated in chronic inflammatory conditions, such as tumor necrosis factor alpha and interleukin-6, which play a key role in the inflammatory cascade. By targeting these specific cytokines, Blue Vervain may help to reduce the overall inflammatory burden on the body, which play a key role in the inflammatory cascade. This cascade is a complex series of events that leads to the symptoms of inflammation, such as redness, swelling, and pain. By intervening in this process, Blue Vervain may offer a natural way to alleviate these symptoms. By reducing the levels of these inflammatory messengers, Blue Vervain may help dampen the body's inflammatory response, potentially alleviating pain and swelling. This makes it a promising candidate for those seeking natural remedies for inflammation-related discomfort. This potential anti-inflammatory action of Blue Vervain has sparked interest in its use for addressing conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and other inflammatory joint disorders. These conditions are often debilitating, causing significant pain and limiting mobility, and other inflammatory disorders. The ability of Blue Vervain to potentially reduce inflammation and pain could improve the quality of life for individuals suffering from these chronic conditions, allowing them to engage in daily activities with greater ease. While more research is needed to fully understand its efficacy and safety in these contexts, the initial findings are promising. Researchers are continuing to explore the various compounds within Blue Vervain that contribute to its anti-inflammatory effects, aiming to unlock its full potential. Early findings suggest that Blue Vervain may hold promise as a natural adjunct to conventional treatments. As interest in natural and holistic health solutions grows, Blue Vervain stands out as a potential ally in the fight against chronic inflammation, offering hope for a more balanced and integrative approach to health and wellness. Unveiling the healing power of Blue Vervain. Benefits for women's health. For centuries, women have relied on the wisdom of nature to address their unique health needs, turning to plants like Blue Vervain to provide gentle yet effective support throughout various stages of life. This ancient herb has been a cornerstone in traditional medicine, revered for its multifaceted benefits that cater specifically to women's health. This herb, with its long history of use in traditional medicine, has earned a reputation as a woman's ally, offering potential benefits for menstrual health, hormonal balance, and emotional well-being. Blue Vervain is often celebrated for its ability to address a variety of women's health issues, making it a versatile and valuable addition to any natural health regimen. One of the key areas where Blue Vervain may be particularly beneficial for women is in supporting a healthy menstrual cycle. Many women experience discomfort and irregularities during their menstrual periods, and Blue Vervain's natural properties can offer much-needed relief. Its traditional use as an emmenagogue, a substance that promotes menstruation, suggests that it may help regulate irregular periods and ease menstrual discomfort. By encouraging a more regular menstrual cycle, Blue Vervain can help women manage their monthly cycles with greater ease and comfort. It is believed to exert its effects on the menstrual cycle through its interaction with the endocrine system, which regulates hormone production. This interaction is crucial, as hormonal imbalances can lead to a variety of health issues, including menstrual irregularities and mood swings. It may help balance estrogen and progesterone levels, potentially alleviating symptoms such as cramps, bloating, and mood swings. By promoting hormonal balance, Blue Vervain can contribute to a more stable and comfortable menstrual experience for women. Furthermore, Blue Vervain's calming and stress-reducing properties may also be beneficial for women experiencing emotional fluctuations related to their menstrual cycle or other life transitions. The herb's natural ability to soothe the nervous system can be particularly helpful during times of stress and emotional upheaval. By promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, it may help improve mood and overall well-being. Incorporating Blue Vervain into a daily routine, whether through tea, supplements, or other forms, can provide a holistic approach to managing both physical and emotional health challenges. This gentle yet powerful herb offers a natural way to support women's health, helping them navigate the complexities of their bodies and minds with greater ease and confidence. Blue Vervain, a natural aid for digestive harmony. Maintaining a healthy digestive system is essential for overall well-being, as it plays a crucial role in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste products. Blue Vervain, with its long history of use in addressing digestive complaints, offers a natural approach to supporting digestive health and alleviating discomfort. This herb's traditional use as a digestive tonic stems from its potential to stimulate digestive secretions, improve appetite, and soothe the digestive tract. Blue Vervain contains bitter compounds that are believed to stimulate the production of saliva and gastric juices, which are essential for the initial stages of digestion. By enhancing these secretions, Blue Vervain may aid in the breakdown of food and the absorption of nutrients. Furthermore, Blue Vervain's potential anti-inflammatory properties may also be beneficial for soothing the digestive tract and reducing inflammation associated with conditions such as gastritis, irritable bowel syndrome, and colitis. We love to bring you natural health videos like these. Let us know down in the comment section if you would try Blue Vervain for any of its health benefits it offers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.